Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube restricted mode on Android. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will need just to go to the YouTube application. So we need just to click on YouTube and then it will take us to our account. Of course, you will need just to be logged in into the application. After that, we will need just to go to our account, and here we can find our account. So basically, here we can find at the corner the gear icon, which will uh, allow us to go to the settings for our account. For that, we need just to search for the restricted mode. So either you can go to the accounts or some other uh, settings. You can just like have multiple categories of settings so you can like modify or just enhance your experience using YouTube. So basically we need just to go to the general, and basically here we can find the remind me to take a break. So instead, in case you are using like YouTube too much and there are some other uh, themes or some other options, including like the dark theme on YouTube. But what we are interested in is the restricted mode on YouTube. So basically we need just to go to the bottom here and we will find the restricted mode. So if you are enabled the restricted mode, you can just hide the mature videos on YouTube. And if you want just to disable it, you will need just like to uncheck or turn off this button or this checkbox here, and you will have your uh, restricted mode that will be disabled on your YouTube on Android. And basically those steps applies also on the iOS YouTube. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.